Hi everybody, how's everybody doing? This is Bradley, and guess what everybody, I'm on my vacation right now. I'm here in Sandy Hook, Kentucky. I'm not far from Moorhead, Kentucky though, actually. I'm probably about 30 minutes from Moorhead, Kentucky. And guess what everybody, I'm not far from the Ohio and West Virginia border. I'm here in eastern Kentucky. And look over there folks, we got a thunderstorm. I saw a little bit of lightning over there. I'll see if I can probably get another one so I can show it to you, okay? At Charleston, rain was falling. At Parkersburg, it was mostly cloudy. NOAA weather radio. The Jackson, Kentucky climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m., June 3rd, 2023. Today's high temperature was 88 degrees. The normal high is 79. The record high is 89 degrees, which was set in 2020. Today's low temperature was 60 degrees. The normal low is 60. The record low is 51 degrees, which was set in 1986. No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 0.00 inches. This is 0.49 inches below the normal amount of 0.49 inches so far for June. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 20.42 inches, which is 2.51 inches below normal. The normal high temperature for tomorrow is 80 degrees, and the normal low is 60. The record high for tomorrow is 91, which occurred in 2002. Whoa, that was some good lightning. See that, folks? We just had some lightning. Yes, folks, we got a thunderstorm. It's coming right for us here in Sandy Hook. These storms are like moving southwest. Yeah, I know it's kind of amazing, isn't that, folks? Because some thunderstorms usually do from southwest to northeast. But guess what, folks? It looks like it's moving southwest, so it's coming right for us. Besides a stray shower or storm possible towards the Tennessee and Virginia borders on Monday, it will remain dry for the first half of the upcoming work week for most of eastern Kentucky. Temperatures will also be trending cooler into next week, with highs retreating to the 70s by Wednesday. Now for the official National Weather Service area. Rest of tonight, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Yep, that's thunder. Yes, everybody, we got a thunderstorm. We got some showers and thunderstorms coming right for us. Yes, everybody, that's really kind of amazing that I got some showers and thunderstorms here in Sandy Hook, here in Kentucky. Since I'm here, since I'm on vacation right now. Yep, it's gonna be my first time to see a thunderstorm here in Kentucky, though, on my first day of my vacation here. Highs in the mid-80s. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. North winds around 5 miles an hour. Tuesday. Oh yes, today's Saturday, June 3rd, 2023. Current time's now 9:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Temperatures is in the upper 70s. The lower 80s right now here in eastern Kentucky and western West Virginia and southern Ohio. Oh look, there's more lightning. Yes, folks, Doppler radar showing that these thunderstorms are probably moving from the southwest, and now it looks like it's heading for the west part. So that probably means we probably might get hit by these thunderstorms. Yeah, folks. See right there? Yep, there's the radar right there. Whoa, that was good lightning. Oh my God, that was a good one. This hazardous weather outlook is for a portion of eastern Kentucky. Day 1, tonight. A thunderstorm is possible this evening, mainly along the east of a Sandy Hook to Salyersville to Cumberland line. Yep, that's where I'm at, Sandy Hook. Sunday through Friday. Thunderstorms are possible during the afternoon and early evening hours of Sunday and Monday. Yes, folks, here we got a thunderstorm. It's coming right for us. Here you go, folks.
Yeah, that's our local Doppler radar.
It was fair. The temperature was 81 degrees, the dew point 66, producing a relative humidity of 61%. The wind was
That was a good lightning strike, wasn't it?
29.91.
Well, at least I must be very lucky to get these showers of thunderstorms coming right for here, man.
The temperature was 86 degrees, the dew point 55, producing a relative humidity of 34%. The wind was north at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.89 inches and rising. At Huntington, it was fair. The temperature was 82 degrees, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity.
Like I said, folks, I'm here in Sandy Hook, Ohio. I'm located about
18 miles an hour, gusting to
Yep, I'm located about,
The pressure was 29.91 inches.
I think I'm located about 10 miles northeast of West Liberty, or about probably like 20 miles southeast of Moorhead.
With a temperature of
And we got a thunderstorm coming right now.
at Fleming, Mason County Airport, 81 at Jackson, 83 at London, and 82 at Somerset. Under fair skies, Monticello reported 84, Middlesbrough reported 81, Harlan Airport reported 82, and Williamsburg reported 82. Across central Kentucky, it was fair. It was 84 at Richmond, 89 at Louisville, 88 at Frankfort, and 82 at Fort Knox. Across northern Kentucky and southern Ohio, temperatures were between 78 and 82 degrees. It was
See if we could get another
mostly
lightning
cloudy
strike.
at Covington, Dayton, and Columbus. At Wilmington, it was fair. And finally, in West Virginia, the temperatures were 70 degrees. At Charleston, rain was falling. At Parkersburg, it was mostly cloudy. Here is a look at conditions across the area at 9 p.m. At the Clyde A. Thomas Regional Airport in Moorhead, it was fair. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 64 degrees, and the relative...
Yeah, the weather is good right now in Moorhead, which is located about 20 miles northwest of here.
was 29.9.
Or actually, it's about 20 or 30 miles northwest of here.
Grass field in Lexington. It
Yeah,
was partly cloudy.
yeah. Oh, there's more lightning.
It was 80
Yep, got
degrees,
some more lightning over there, folks.
55 degrees, and the relative humidity 42%. The wind was northeast at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.89 inches and steady. At Huntington, West Virginia, light rain was falling. The temperature was 66 degrees, the dew point 61 degrees, and the relative humidity 84%. The wind was variable at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.94 inches and rising.
More over there.
It was clear, with a temperature of 77 at Mount Sterling, 80 at London, 79 at...
Whoa, that was good lightning.
At Monticello.
Oh, that was a good one.
Middlesbrough. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 79 at Fleming, Mason County Airport, and 78 at Jackson.
Yes, folks, that was good lightning right there too, right?
Cloudy, with a temperature of 65. It was fair, with a temperature of 77 at Harlan Airport and 77 at Williamsburg. At Fort Knox, it was clear, with a temperature of 76. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 87 at Louisville and 81 at...
Yep, we got a thunderstorm.
At Richmond.
Yep, it's approaching from the west, and it's coming from the east. Now it's approaching to the west. It's coming right for us here in Sandy Hook, which I'm here in eastern Kentucky. I'm not far from West Virginia or southern Ohio.
And finally, in West Virginia, temperatures were...
Yep, like I said, I'm located about 10 miles northeast of West Liberty, or about 30 miles southeast of Moorhead. I'm here in Sandy Hook.
The Jackson, Kentucky climate summary for this evening.
We got a thunderstorm that's coming right for us. We just had a good lightning strike. I'm sorry you can't see the back of the storm because that light pole's right there. I'm sorry about that, folks. Oh, that was a good one.
Today's low temperature was 60 degrees.
Ooh.
The normal low is...
All right, folks. Looks like we're getting some good thunderstorm. We're getting some good thunderstorm with lightning here.
No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 0.00 inches. This is 0.49 inches below the normal amount of 0.
Well, don't worry, folks. You can still see the lightning.
The total precipitation for the year still stands at 20.4.
Current time's now 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Temperatures is in the upper 70s.
Low is 60. The record high for tomorrow is 91, which occurred in 2002, and the record low is 46, which occurred in 1988. Sunset tonight is at 8:50 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:13 a.m. And now the latest weather synopsis. More summer-like weather will continue through the rest of the weekend, with highs in the mid to upper 80s expected for Sunday. There will also be a chance of afternoon and early evening showers and thunderstorms, mainly occurring along and south of
Got more over there, dude. Oh, over there.
Shower or storm possible towards the Tennessee and Virginia borders on Monday. It will remain dry for the first half of the upcoming work week for most of eastern Kentucky. Temperatures will also be trending cooler into next week.
Yes, folks, I hear I'm on vacation though. And this must be my lucky night to get a chance to see a thunderstorm activity going on here in eastern Kentucky and western West Virginia and southern Ohio.
Rest of tonight, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Sunday, patchy valley fog early. Sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s.
Whoa, that was good lightning.
Winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Oh my God, that was good lightning there, dude.
Then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s.
That was good lightning, wasn't that, folks?
Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. North winds around 5 miles an hour. Tuesday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy.
Yep, that's thunder, dude.
In the lower 80s. Tuesday night,
Yeah, remember, folks, lightning can strike about 10 to 15 miles from a parent thunderstorm.
partly cloudy.
If you count
Upper 70s.
how many seconds where the lightning strikes, it will tell me how many miles away it is that strike from a thunderstorm, okay?
Thursday, sunny. Highs in the
Yep,
upper
you just gotta
70s.
count how many seconds
Clear.
that lightning did strike wherever it was. It will come in. You gotta count five seconds,
Mostly clear.
or to figure out how farther the lightning can strike, though.
Mostly sunny.
Oh,
A slight chance
that was some good lightning there.
storms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 20%.
Actually, right now temperatures is in 70s right now.
Weather outlook
It's 73 degrees out here.
counties in Kentucky: Bath, Elliott, Estill, Fleming, Johnson, Dauphin, Menifee, Montgomery, Morgan, Powell, Brown, and Wool.
Folks, I think I'm getting some good lightning here in Sandy Hook.
Eastern Kentucky. Day 1, tonight. A thunderstorm is
Oh, that was good lightning.
mainly along and east of the Sandy Hook to Salyersville to Cumberland line.
Yep, that's where I'm located, here in Sandy Hook.
Period Sunday through Friday. Thunderstorms are possible during the afternoon and early evening hours of Sunday and Monday, mainly along and south of Highway 80. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. The current time is 9:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio broadcasts on 7 fixed frequencies all across the United States. These frequencies are 162.400.
Oh, that was a good one.
162.425, 162.
Yeah, it looks. Yes, folks, it is coming right for us. See if I can get the latest radar update from the National Weather Service office down in
162.525
Jackson.
and 162.550. The transmitter locations within the Moorhead listening area include WWG63 in Frenchburg, WWG71 in Moorhead, WWG61 in
Actually, I think it's by the National Weather Service office in Charleston, West Virginia.
and WNG727 in Irvine. Here is a look at conditions across the area at 9 p.m.
Oh, got more lightning there.
Airport in Moorhead. It was fair. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 64 degrees, and the relative
Oh,
humidity 65%.
this is a good. I'm getting a great video here of the lightning here in Sandy Hook.
And steady. At Bluegrass Field in Lexington, it was partly
Oh.
cloudy. The temperature was 80 degrees. The dew point
Here, folks, I'm gonna get the
65%.
latest radar update from the National Weather Service. Okay.
The wind was northeast at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.89 inches and steady. At Huntington, West Virginia, light rain was falling. The temperature was 66 degrees, the dew point 61 degrees, and the relative humidity 84%.
Yes, folks, it's coming right for us.
The wind was variable at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.94 inches and rising. It was clear, with a temperature of 77 at Mount Sterling, 80 at London, 79 at Somerset, 78 at Monticello, and 75 at Middlesbrough. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 79 at Fleming, Mason County Airport, and 78 at Jackson. At the Big Sandy Airport, it was mostly cloudy.
Oh, that was good lightning.
Of 65.
Yes, folks, we're getting some good lightning. I think that was like about 10 miles away, probably 10 or 15 miles from a apparent thunderstorm.
It was clear, with a temperature of 76. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 87.
Well, folks, I better probably get ready to head inside because it's getting ready to start to rain right now. So, well, everybody, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'll see if I can keep an eye on this thunderstorm and see how it's going to be, okay? Oh, so I hope you really enjoyed this video. And don't worry, folks, I'll have a great vacation, though. Just remember to stay safe out here and make sure you get indoors in case when thunder gets ready to strike. If thunder roars, head indoors. But remember, lightning can strike 10 to 15 miles from a thunderstorm. Just get indoors immediately if you hear thunder or lightning. If you see lightning. Alright. Well, you all stay safe, have a good evening, and you all stay safe out there, and I'll be careful out here. Alright. Have a good evening and have a good night. And all those railroad and weather spotters, you all stay safe. And everybody be careful out there. Alright, thank you. Alright, bye.